everybody, you know, how long she's been entering from
I've been one who requested.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this RK flight taking us to Abuja. Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck. This is your captain. I'd like to welcome you aboard. Service is 405 shuttle to Abuja. My sincere apologies for this late departure. It was due to earlier closure of Port Harcourt Airport and that of Abuja due to bad weather in the morning in Abuja. And we are informing however, in spite of this today, we do hope you enjoy the trip. I'm just been told body this evening. This has come to the leaders of rubber hands at this time. My residence doors are shut.
You talk to me,
one time, my dad, since they are flight positions, you'll change yourself.
everyone is like the captain was stranded.
Flight time to Abuja this afternoon will be 15 minutes and we'll fly on 21,000.
Complete angel set up.
As we road looks good, you start a cars here and there.
I want to see where in the world the captain says that somebody cannot film himself while he's on ground.
You are filming us.
You are public. You are part of the public. You serve the public. That's what I'm going to tell you. Let's go and see the captain.
For you to film your
No, I have a right to film myself.
Soji will be flying us to Abuja. Very confident safety I have for you guys, led by Bio. Bio is a cabin supervisor today. He will shortly introduce the rest of his team. I will please give them your 10 minutes undivided attention and give you safety movements in the aircraft. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, welcome and enjoy your hospitality. Cabin crew, let's rock and roll.
Direct access message number 1. This is a fasten seatbelt announcement.
How are you, Captain?
Maoni.
Shall I fear you? Well done, sir.
My president in waiting.
How's everything?
Well, okay, good. When you came suffering, you know, before you do any recordings, you just want to get express permission.
Yeah.
Because you don't do live recordings like this.
Yes, so I understand that you may not do live recording when you are in flight. Yeah. But I don't understand how I cannot film myself on an aircraft. I've never heard that before.
Sorry, the other time in Abuja we have
No, we didn't have problem with you. You are the people having problems with yourself. Arik is the only one doing
Wait. So you
yes.
can film yourself in the flight
Yes.
on the ground.
Yes.
That's not
Yeah,
the problem.
exactly.
But you must also have express permission from the senior, from the crew that I'm going to be doing this. Because, you know, let's listen, there are certain times you can do that. You can film yourself in the aircraft.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm filming myself inside the aircraft. When I'm flying, I do it all over the world. And I'm so Arik is the only one that victimizes me on this matter.
No, it's not victimization.
Yes.
Because every airline has their own standard operating
And I like to
procedures.
see procedures that says that when you are still on the ground, I can't film myself. I would love to see it.
You can film yourself.
Okay.
That's not the problem.
Okay.
You know, but again, just let the crew know you're doing this.
They are aware. They know me already. Ask them. They all know me. You know, he was just saying it that he didn't know me.
Yeah, I did.
They try to embarrass me all the time.
No, it's not.
That's what Arik does. They know that I film myself. I film myself all over the world.
If I say you cannot film me,
I'm not. You look. If you don't want to be filmed,
Yes.
don't work in the public. In the first place, go and find a job where there are no cameras. This is not the office. We share the space. You know, you share the space with me.
Listen, this
I
is
have-
where
you know.
this is where he is saying.
You can use face
Listen.
mask if you don't want to be filmed.
No.
Yes, on an aircraft.
You cannot film the crew while they are doing.
No, I'm filming myself. If a crew
Good,
comes
yourself.
into my camera, I can't stop him. If I'm walking into the aircraft,
film yourself, but
Yes.
don't film the crew while they're
no.
walking.
If they come to serve me and they come in the camera, I can't stop it. I'm filming myself.
But however,
Yes.
once we start engines and doors are closed, you have to stop filming.
Yes, look,
Yeah.
I
You know that-
understand.
you can do the-
I understand the anxiety
Yeah.
that you guys have, but you know this has no impact on you at all. You know, when I was walking into this plane, I saw you on your phone. You're making calls, right? I cannot come and say, pilot, don't make a call because you know it doesn't affect you.
Yeah,
You're on
it's
the ground, right?
Yeah, it's on the ground.
And you are
as soon as I
all
close my
the
door, those
ground.
phones will switch off.
See,
Yeah.
you can say that,
Yeah.
but I know even that is an overkill, is an overreach. But
Yeah.
you're a pilot, so you have a right to make the rules after you close your door.
Yes.
But you know, I'm just telling you that you should tell your people, especially Eric, they should stop embarrassing themselves, not us now. Because when you land,
what-
the first thing you should tell us is now you can use your phones.
Yeah.
But your people,
Yeah.
maybe they have not gotten the training or the memo. They'll tell you, oh, we've landed, but you still can't use your phone.
That is the SOP of Harry.
It's not SOP.
No, you see,
People need to catch up with it.
Emirates can tell you you can even use your phone on
No,
board.
of course.
So
If
that's
you are
their SOP.
if you are
No,
selling
no.
internet to me, what do you expect me to do
Exactly.
with?
So
Yes,
there's-
I'll use it for.
every airline has their own SOP.
No, there's no.
Every airline has their own SOP. That's the way
I
Harry.
would love to see your SOP, Captain. Is
If
this
you
something
come-
that you can make available to
If you
us?
come to the head office and you meet the
No, but I was
manager,
even
you help you
when I was
make
going
it
from here to Abuja the last time, they arrested me on Arik. I asked them for the Arik led me to the office of what's it called, FAN. I asked them for the SOP till today. They can't provide it. Apparently they don't have SOP.
No, we have SOP, my brother. Go and sit down. No problem. Have a
Keep
good
flying so that we can get this country working.
Yes,
again.
no problem.
You know, I have a very, very interesting history with Arik, you know, the way they run the place. So I think it's part of the fallover that I've been a reporter was critical of them. They feel like they can keep embarrassing me, but they can't do that to me.
But
They
you know
know
that
that.
the Arik you know before is a different Arik. Right?
I
So
hope
you know.
so. I hope so.
No,
You know,
it's not
maybe
run
there
by
are
the
still some
owners.
carryover from the past.
The
But otherwise, I don't know why we're having this conversation.
The Arik you know now is not the Arik you know before. It's a different Arik entirely.
They-
Run by professionals.
You need to change your uniforms, perhaps.
He's eating our ground time.
No problem.
No.
No problem. I start for him to speak
You
with
see
him
now.
myself.
Do you want to come on board now so that we can understand you people?
So already, last issue that we had in Abuja, I was the one that stood by you.
Yeah, you didn't stand by. I mean, you should stand by your office to stop doing this embarrassment, okay?
You want to be
Have a nice
president
day.
and you're doing this. Who votes for you?
It's no, we don't. I don't need the vote of people who don't understand how things work.
Cabin crew prepare for departure, please. Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Arike, Captain Chris Najomo, aka Jolly Papa, and your entire crew, would like to wish you very warm welcome on board our Boeing 737 the series aircraft shortly passing for Abuja. Flying time to Abuja today on to Lagos. Should kindly meet one of our ground staff at the foot of the aircraft. Thank you.
Where's my backpack? Captain Jolly Papa.
Yes, so anytime.
Well done. I enjoyed that your announcement.
Thank you.
When is the flight?
Hello.
bó ṣe wọ́n sálẹ̀ mọ́ ló bóyá ó ti rẹ́jú. Àbúrò ṣe àjọ tó lè padà yìí.
On our way to Lagos from Sokoto, encounter Harry and South. And they marked us out for harassment. Still waiting for their standard operating procedure. The train doesn't allow you to film when you're entering the train. You can't find it. Go this way. If we go this way, we have to pass through.
What about luggage?
This is luggage going to Lagos. How are you?
I'm Mr. President.
How are you? I'm happy to good to see you. Thank you.
How now?
Very good.
How long are you time for?
Yes,
I beg. Okay. I'll stay stuck.
How are you?
This is our future president. The man of the people. The man of the people. Wait. Yes. Mr. Snappers, man of the people. Our own. We want you. Enough is enough. We have to take it back. We have to take it back. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We have to take it back, whether they like it or not. The God will surely be with you. Nothing will happen to you. We are supporting you to do
Thank you so much. That's what they don't want people to see. The support we are getting from the masses. Poor people, poor workers. Today, South Africa just increased minimum wage 138,000 naira. Our economy is bigger than that of South Africa, according to them. We can't afford to pay 30,000 naira. Shame on our leaders. Shame on all these criminals in Abuja. Look at this. These are airports in 2000. Part of the reason they don't want to use camera. Nigeria, they use computer. The leaders of Nigeria, they use radio where they turn the knob.